Hello, my name is Lee from Sport CBDS, and today we're going to be making some concrete weight plates. Hey there, are you looking to get fit? Do you want to get hench, but the price of weight's too heavy for your bank balance?
Oh my God, how much?
Then why not try making your own? How hard can it be, right? If you got arms like sticks, then go make some concrete mix. Hello. If you were to look at the price of dumbbells and weights online even today in 2021, it's absolutely amazing at the price of them. And this is one of the reasons why I decided to make my own concrete weights, because for the price it costs to make them, you can pretty much churn out weight upon weight plate for a fraction of the cost of some of the prices online today. So let's get making some concrete weight plates. What we've got in the video today is I got hold of a weight plate mould from Rock Stock and Barbell. What you get in the pack is one weight plate mould. You get two collars. These vary depending on the width of your barbell. You have 25mm and 50mm. You also get sort of like metal mesh to sort of help make the plates. I've never mixed concrete before. I am 41 years old. I know that is very sad, but at the same time, I'm honest enough to admit that. So this is another reason why I thought I'd do it, because I've never mixed concrete and I thought it'd be an enjoyable experience. If I can do it, then I'm sure all of you out there can do it. If you can't get your hands on any kind of weight plates or dumbbells or fitness equipment, you've always got the option to get your hands on some Rock Stock and Barbell weight plate molds, so then you can make them yourself. Before we get into the video, do you need any CBD for your post-workout requirements? If that's the case, then head to the Sport CBD store now. We do droppers, gummies, capsules, lotions, pretty much any CBD that you would need for your post-workout requirements. Link is in the description below. Head to the Sport CBD store now. So now, let's get to making some concrete weight plates. exciting moment because we are about to unveil the weight plate. It's been setting for 3 days now. I've not looked at it, I've not checked anything. This is a real reaction as to the weight plate. I've also got some scales to measure the weight. So let's see. I think looking at it, I'm gonna have to give it another day. As I said, I've not checked it, I've just covered it over. I'm gonna have to leave it for another day, I think. What can I say? What can I do? So, tune in tomorrow for another instalment of concrete weight plates. Hello and welcome back to day 3. I've left the cover off the concrete weight plate mould overnight, and as you can see, dry as a bone. So now I'm going to attempt to get the weight plate out, see how it looks. A bit of give there, a bit of movement. Wow, fingers just got trapped, which can only mean one thing: the weight is loose. And I must say, oh, you beauty, that is looking pretty cool. Decent. Right, next thing to do. One thing I didn't do when I was making the mould was to weigh it at the time. Again, basic thing I overlooked. At the same time, it's not really a big deal because I can always make the next weight plate to the same sort of weight. Anyway, I've got my trusty scales here, out the bathroom. Oh, I've actually got a blood blister where it trapped my finger, look. So, we'll worry about that later. Let's see how much the plate actually weighs. That's saying 17.8 kilograms. Yeah, 17.8. Excellent. All I need to do now is when I make the other weight plate, we'll obviously take off what the actual mould weighs and then do it to 18 kilograms. I know it's a bit of a random weight for weight plates and all that lot, but at the end of the day, considering it's my first weight plate, mixing concrete, I'm really impressed with that, to be fair. I was a bit worried about how it was going to get out of the mould because I did use Gorilla Glue on the collar, and that was the thing that was holding it in. But obviously the weight of the weight plate pulls it out. To be fair, that is very impressive. There's my 18 kilogram, it's hard for me to hold, 18 kilogram Medusa concrete weight plate. Decent. Now, all I've got to do is make another one, and then I've got a pair of weight plates. Happy days. One thing I probably will do before I actually use the weight plate is probably run a little bit of sandpaper just around the outer edge of where the concrete is dried, because it obviously did have a couple of rough edges. As you can see, the edges are a little bit rough here, but they're nice and soft on the inside. So just a little bit of coarse sandpaper, rub it over, smooth it out. And then the other thing you can do is as well, if you want to pimp them up, is obviously get a bit of spray paint out, get a stencil, and you can start spraying them up, spraying on the weight and all things like that. So the possibilities are endless with these things. And in all honesty, I was a little bit apprehensive when I was making it because I just wasn't convinced. But after I've actually made one mould and it's come out as well as it has, it's really easy to do. And if you can be bothered to make the concrete, which isn't a bad experience at all, it was a little bit of a messy experience, but not the end of the world. If you're able to mix concrete and you want to make some weights, I would recommend you get this rock, stock and barbell weight plate kit, because all you need to do is keep buying the collars and you can keep making weight plate after weight plate for any size that you need. All in all, very impressed. Another thing to bear in mind is obviously the width of the weight I've made has gone to 18 kilograms. But if we look at the weight plate, there's still quite a bit of room to add extra concrete. As you can see the line here, which is where I've done it to. I think
If you did fill it to sort of just below the lip with the ratios that I've used, then you will get a 20 kilogram weight plate.
So there you have it. That was the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the video, the workouts, and everything else we do here at the channel. I know I always say it, but please, that was a bit dramatic, wasn't it? I was a bit over the top, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It would be really appreciated, and you won't miss any video whenever they are made. Another way you can help and support the channel is to do something as simple as buy me a coffee. Link is also in the description below. You can do something as simple as buy me a coffee to help show your support for the channel and the videos I do here at Sports CBDs. Another thing you can do is head to sportscbds.com for the latest health and fitness news, CBD news, workouts, recipes, meditations. Do you need any CBD for your post-workout requirements, for any inflammation, pain? Do you struggle to sleep, have an issue with your mood? Then check out the Sports CBD store now. We have any CBD that you would require. We also do sports clothing, yoga clothing, and yoga accessories also. That's pretty much it for today. So until next time, take care. Bye bye.